The Detroit Assembly Complex Mack is more than just a manufacturing facility. It is a symbol of renewal and commitment from Stellantis to the city of Detroit. After a $1.6 billion investment, this site was transformed into the first new vehicle assembly plant in Detroit in nearly 30 years. It now serves as the production home for the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee, the three-row Grand Cherokee L, and the electrified Grand Cherokee 4xe. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee keeps its classic midsize SUV shape, but upgrades the experience with refined on-road performance and serious off-road credentials. Powered by a 3.6-liter V6 that puts out 293 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, this SUV handles daily commutes and weekend trails with confidence. You get rear-wheel drive as standard, with multiple four-wheel drive systems available if you are aiming for adventure. The vehicle can tow up to 6,200 pounds, and it offers 37.7 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row. Plenty for groceries, gear, or luggage. If you need more room, the Grand Cherokee L stretches the formula. With seating for up to 7 passengers, this version adds nearly 12 inches in length, making it a comfortable choice for growing families or long-distance travelers. Despite the added size, it still performs efficiently with about 21 miles per gallon combined and provides 17.2 cubic feet of space behind the third row. Then comes the 2025 Grand Cherokee 4xe, Jeep's plug-in hybrid answer to efficiency without sacrificing power. A 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine works with electric motors to produce 375 horsepower and a whopping 470 pound-feet of torque. With an all-electric range of about 25 miles and a combined 56 mpge rating, this SUV balances fuel savings and capability. It is still a Jeep, after all, ready to tow up to 6,000 pounds and tackle rough terrain with its standard four-wheel drive system. Every one of these models rolls out of the Detroit Assembly Complex, Mack, built by a workforce of over 4,000 employees who bring American craftsmanship to life. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to support the channel and stay updated on more automotive stories like this.